Housing inventory is up, so why are home prices continuing to rise even though there is more supply? It might sound backward. More homes on the market mean more competition for sellers and lower prices, right? That's normally true, but in this case, other powerful factors are still pushing prices up. First, there's still pent-up buyer demand stemming from the pandemic. Even with rates around 6.5% or even a bit higher, buyers are re-entering the market. Many of them have been waiting on the sidelines for quite some time, watching the headlines throughout the economic and political shifts, and as soon as they see a small drop in rates and a home that catches their eye and makes sense in their monthly budget, they pounce. This demand pushes prices back up. We have been seeing several multiple offer scenarios on our listings, and our buyer clients have been armed for battle when they begin their home shopping process. Another factor is that the economy still appears to be strong, even with some recent global and national policy changes. According to the National Association of Realtors, strong economic indicators mean buyers have more financial power and they are willing to pay more for homes that check all their boxes. But sellers don't despair. Recent data still shows sellers still have power in our local market, just less than before. Yes, there has been a shift, but the market is normalizing after a wild last couple of years. Here in Long Beach, there are currently 282 active single-family home listings, with 77 of those coming on the market within the last 2 weeks. So inventory is up, which definitely is providing more options to buyers. But we're still not at pre-pandemic inventory levels. More inventory doesn't mean weak demand. It means opportunity, but it's still a race. As a matter of fact, there are currently 144 homes pending in escrow, with 1/3 of those coming to a mutual agreement and going under contract within 2 weeks. And none of those 48 homes having any price corrections to attract a buyer. And there were 124 homes that sold last month in July. But get this, over half of those that closed, that's right, 52%, sold within 2 weeks of being listed on the market. How's that for demand? And 44 of those 65 homes that were immediate sales closed escrow at or above the seller's asking amount. That's about 67%. These July sales had an asking amount of $1,093,968 on average, and sold for $1,089,619 with an average days on market of 29 days. It's true that the right homes, those prepared, presented, and priced correctly, are still moving fast, and the longer you wait, the more you'll pay. The local condo market has been really sluggish, with inventory quickly increasing. And there have been some recent issues that condo sales have been facing, and a proactive approach is really needed to protect buyers and ensure that the transaction can close escrow. Those homes priced well are still moving, yet this is a property type that is lending to more deals and really offering some great opportunities for buyers. If you would like more information on the current housing market, reach out to my team and I. Our track record speaks for itself, being a top producing team in real estate, #1 in the Long Beach area for the last 14 years. And it's given us an unmatched understanding of what buyers and sellers are looking for. And don't worry, we'll answer all of your questions, uncover your best strategies for your goals and timeline, and walk you through every step to make sure you're set up to make a smart and confident move. Contact me today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.